Hey, what's going on? It's Nick LS, and today I'm going to be sharing how I felt more comfortable getting on the freeway. And this also helps getting more comfortable with those faster speeds. So my very first time on the freeway, I chose a time later in the day during the week where it wasn't that busy, so I didn't have to deal with a lot of traffic. And what I ended up doing was jumping on the freeway and then getting off the next exit. So it's about a 2-minute ride. So it's not a very long time, but still it's just enough to get your feet wet. And that totally built up my confidence. When I realized that I could do that and I checked that off the box of things riding on the freeway, like I said, totally built up the confidence and got me way more comfortable jumping on the freeway. And I just kept doing that. And eventually I built my way up to get on the next exit. So now a 2-minute ride turns into a 6 or 7 minute ride. And then I continued to build up and just get off on different exits. And then, 3, 4, 5. So that way you're building up that time at faster speeds and also dealing with traffic on the freeway. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate just that. I'm going to jump on the freeway and then I'm going to get off 2 exits. It's going to be 5 or 6 minute ride. This is a Saturday morning, so traffic isn't too bad quite yet. So yeah, if you are a newer rider, I highly suggest just getting your feet wet, jumping on and off. Just get that exposure. Get that practice. That way you become a better rider. So let's ride.